Hi guys, it's Simon at Cars Capital Markets with the daily direction prediction for the 1st of March. So I only have one on the list today, and that would be pound CAD long. Now to be quite honest, it's only be a short term trade up to just get out before the day level of 167 and explain what I see here. So at the moment with a down sloping trend line that has been respected quite a lot, it has, and price been contained within it. Now we broke up, we've come down, chopped around a bit. We look like we've broken out now completely here. It's been a nice clean breakout that has, and a decent close above everything else recently. So I quite like that. And you've got the daily 50 as well here. I know you had a daily 50 a couple of times elsewhere along here, but I just felt this time could be such a bullish breakout from this trend line. I feel that the bullish pressure will be a bit stronger than what has been before in the past. So if we pop down to the intraday now, this is the 4-hour chart I'm looking at. So this is where you see the little mini triangle here quite nicely. So we had lots of support here, 1628 pretty much that is. That was quite a nice lot of support here. We've got this intermediate level here, which has been respected, then come down, but also had this triangle, this downward sloping trend line here. So, like I said, the fact that we've broken out of the range and the trend line, I feel that we come back, test this 164.3, 164.2 area. And I think we test that. That'd be nice to get in. And like I said, I want to get out before the daily 167. So what I'm looking for really is, like I said, pull back down to this area here. It'd be 100 pip stop because I want to include this swing low, I want to include the trend line, and I want to include the 4-hour 50 plus this key level. Also, I'm going to take this a live entry, not as an order. You could place an order with it, but I just feel the fact that because we have chopped through the daily 50 a couple of times, I feel that maybe a live entry, if you see the reversal signals on the 4-hour and 1-hour chart, then yes, that'd be much better than anything else. The other thing as well, we're a bit slow recently, is because the market has been ranging and just kind of chopping around too much. And let me give you some ideas why. If you look at this area here, it's just pure chop, that is. It's not very good to trade. You can trade a couple bits and bobs, but people are just getting whipsawed out most of the time, they are. And if you look along the board with many other trades as well, I mean, you can pick almost anything out here you can. I mean, this is just mess. There's nothing really, any clean direction. There's no structure to the trade here whatsoever. I mean, the index has been going quite nicely, like the Aussie 200 I had, the UK 100. Gold and silver's not been too bad as well. Another one, dollar yen. And again, you just got this indecision here. It's just all, it doesn't know what's going to happen next. And the reason why that's happening is purely because you've got everything happening in politics in the world. You have, I mean, you've got Trump doing crazy things left, right and centre. He doesn't even know what he wants. You've got the stuff that might happen in France with the elections. You know, if the lady wins, can't remember her name now, but if she wins, there'd be most likely a referendum to leave the EU for France. Denmark have elections this year as well. Is Denmark or Netherlands? I think it's Netherlands actually. Sorry, have elections this year, and the same thing there. They might want, if the right person gets in, they'll vote for another referendum there as well. I mean, so when that happens, the thesis of the trade would be that if people realise, if the normal person realises that the euro is going to crash and crumble, then yeah, you're going to get a lot of money going to the dollar because it is still the reserve currency of the world. Everything's still trading dollars, unfortunately, at the moment. So whether people like it or not, whether even Trump likes it or not, that is what will happen. Maybe gold will go up as well, but maybe the yen. But it's one of the things. It's a safe haven where people dump their money, and most people think of the dollar straight away. To be honest, so that's what's probably going to happen. But again, you can pick almost any trade, any major pair out of here. I mean, again, this chop, it's an indecision that this whole. You can make a bit of money on the larger bits, but this bit here is just mess. Total mess now, it really is. There's no real structure there whatsoever. So yeah, it's at the moment, I'd say this time's more for wait and see. If you are scalping, doing micro 1 or 2 pips, yeah, it's a bit different. But for me, who sit back and do a bit of the longer term stuff, want to pick 200-300 pips at a time, it's very quiet out there at the moment. So I hope you're doing well, and I shall speak to you soon.